TV aba amansane yena yedi.
Hello, Ebusia for your friend Calibos, the only boss with wireless. Boss Suba Pope, TV so they were with ya. Kumawu TV, and bam.
TV aba amansane yena yedi. Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi. Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu.
My name is Valentina. I also watch Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV yena yedimu. Keep watching.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby ya.
Oyiwe yo odun ti da wako han card ya yo masa parking emfa he o ma le do so kan lo
right yema yahwefo mu ene hwe emo bibia kwaba ebia na wuchim afidi no eto eye baby ena afei ena wode abeto Kumawood TV yema wakwaba ene nso so eye odombre ede ma sanse wonkwa eho hia ema wo ene wiase ne Ghana man nyina nso so ene yasan be hyemu ewo ha biem yede dwumadi a yato de se wonkwa hia ena yede ebrew we eye health program a eba beboa wo na ama wapomuden etimi asipi asita ede ama wo da bia meka se nipa wapomuden eho nsem no ensipi a emma anije emma asetranum emma asetra no enye de emma asetra no enye akono eno nti ene yebehia mu se ya na yato nsa ede afre enimdifo wona wonim de ewo yapomuden ho na omaba beboa ama yapomuden no etimi asipi asita ede ama yin dwumadi so na eyadesua pi se okoso na omo ofidie no eda ha na wohwe dwumadi ya wankasa dwumadi no kwawie no na wapomuden no etimi asipi asita na wohunu se wonkwa no ehia dache bia no womma wobusua eni beje sanse wo protect wo hiye wo siesie wo se be ya yare emeje okra emfa emfiri wonsam eno nti enen so yasa be hia mu die na ye ba behwe yare a ye fe ne prostate na prostate no ye bebisa se ewo ema ho ana se memma nko a doctor ewo ha sei obehwe na ye di ho nkomo na ene titro pa no topic a ye be discuss ewo sa prostate ho no how to detect and protect prostate kwan ya ye be fa so a ye be hu prostate no sene ne su ene ne ban etie ne ye hu kwan ya ye be fa so nso so a ye be protect ye ho sene be ya yare no emma metna ye ni paduam na enkonkofa ohaw emfa ma sanse uti prostate na edini ye din bia e de pa but one hwa e de yem hihye bebrew se wo ye bema nko ade a menka se prostate no efa mema ho enti wo yoba dwumadi wo nhwe bi e bia na wo ne wukunu wunua bi oba tie dwumadi na se koba se wo symptoms bi sa ewo na setremu a wo hunu bia papa se wo kire no na otimi etu anamo na eboa no wei ene dwumadi a ye de brew ewo Kumawood television so ada ya wada bia enwumre no nson ekopem no hwe ene de sa dwumadi ebrew me a ene midi dwumadi ho chiame no midin ene Francis Adey dodo no ata frame DJ Lofty ene Dr. Penia ye ne no eba ebedi nkomo ede afa yare prostate ho no eye Dr. Tony Badu wono eye president of eye Prostate Doctor Foundation wono ene eye president kese pa wono nso ewo eye Prostate Foundation ho ene ono na ye ne no edi nkomo in fact obi a wonim de na okasa nso wonim se asema woka no wonim ene ye besua de pi ene ye be mo hu prostate no se ne nsenkyere ne nyina etie ewo eye kasa afidie so na kasa foyini so nti ne sese wo ya ne se obekoso na mama wa afidie no ada ha ya ye sponsors nso ewo ha brane ko no ye be ma wo ahunu wo mo metwa me ho tiawa na maba me bana me beduru pe ye de dwumadi aka no nyina ehyehyɛ so
TV aba amansane yena yedi.
Ghana, hello everyone. me did the slide, me actor. We a Kumawu TV. We the yaya demo movie beer, mo pesa mo share. A year chi movie piano. I na ye movie I in Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawu TV. So keep watching Kumawu TV.
TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winna no baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi
Nkonyenya Harriet Odun manyam fiala ganya actress ha lenye fofoi da shada manno na nyi ha kona Kumawu TV a ele agbaji nyoto mi be multi TV akenenye be wo ya mekwela ji hara jagba na yo agba nyala wa vava dereji no kala fima nya baby movies yo keke mi ejitima ya pe la fima akpo aka movies akpo ga movies akpo jogbaji movies so ha musia nu ya nya tonko be Ghanaian movie ko akko keke la fima ga yiji ha wa me na le na nejra etela nya tomato so mi kejra mele kwa jagbagba ne na va our advert alo poplo toto le Kumawu TV amoha wa kpo
right, welcome back eba Kumawu TV so senior na me ko break me kan ye no doctor pani e wo ha me pese mese bre no ye ne doctor ebedi nkomo e dia fa yare prostate ho na ye hunu kwampa ye be fa so na ya prevent ye ho e free sa yare no with this any age se obi nso na wanya sa yare ni bia won so wo hunu se eba critical a ba bia esese odi woni chene ne esese wo ye enuane a wodi a ebeboa ama prostate no abafom na enkonkofo how kese bi emfa mro e wo mpani fiem bra wo bekọ unchi no emfa how emfa nko enti se wo hwe dwumadie ya all is about health ena ene yedi hu nkomo se nso sa efa emame doctor e wo ha Dr. Tony Bedu president edema Prostate Doctor Foundation ono ena ene yene no ebe twen nkomo doc memo akwaba bibia boko de doctors dia na en time mi sa se mo mpum te sen san se nim se mo de da ne da mo mpum o de pa san se mo hwem ho yi mo hwem ho yi papa
preventive measures here
yeah no kwasem
so yeah na mo woni ko mpum den ho a ma
wonyini che doc ye ni brebebre ye wo don hwede ba ko pe na afei ye sorry every so ye hwe quickly ye can say how to detect and protect prostate na ye can say
that's how to detect and protect prostate ye can about prostate conditions
okay
prostate no the conditions bear me and eba so far yes
okay
ye decline your friend of prostatitis
okay
so that condition no e no de emfa ho se wo ye panyini na wo ya bala etimi ye emfie aduonu no
okay
nsia aduasa etimi ye wo
okay
and at the torso your friend enlarged prostate ni e wo term your friend BPH so what is that
okay yeah
it is a benign prostatic hyperplasia and no say prostate aye kese but enye cancer
oh okay it's me kese but na e cancer oh okay
be how adwene so pa and at the torso no after enlarged prostate no I suffer the BPH
yeah
and one of the most common condition we are seeing
okay
have millions and millions of men over 50 years echo is about 95% that were enlarged prostate.
I see doc you kasa prostate no kra any day yare ben because opa oman kunkun Ghana mu a mo ye doctors intino me kana sa e bia obetimase ye bo yare ni din a otu a yare ni din na de pa but wo chiechirem na okọ animu a afi hu se yare ne sa edin na de enso nsusuanso na enya asem ketua doc yen hwe ye ka prostate any day na for yeto aso
a good question but the pani bebre have a misconception about prostate and any conditions say ka se prostate e ye honam akwa mema ho ane
Okay.
Or baby any prostate.
Okay.
Na ewo ye junso chano ebo ye junso chana sepe. Ena tokro dem na tokro na dem na no na junso dro ben no e connect ye junso chano e be fa ye be me. Se be ma oba junso a be junso di free ba. E ho ne ano ne other end na wo ho no e ho na prostate is ne ho na connect ma junso chano. So what you say? It's a ho ne bo na prostate no tokro na dem no e no na junso dro ben no. Edem a ba we junso a baby epie no eno ne junso dro ben.
Okay.
Friend you urethra abrofo kase.
Okay.
Junso dro ben no ne kwa connect. It is a prostate no eye kese no. Eye kese no. Na junso dro ben no su mia junso dro ben.
Not just say I had to say dro ben a you knew you said dro ben ni. Na tokro no edem no. Say prostate ni eba wo so a na prostate na ba so no na emia druben no a odu so no fam no emia no na eye ketwa.
Very good. Enlarged prostate.
Okay.
Enlarged prostate. Sa na eye prostate na eye kese no na esi because because I said donut.
Okay.
So we just so druben ni and the shape prostate ni na we just so try.
Okay.
So na prostate na eye kese a ye frɛ baby transition zone in finfin ha.
Okay.
E hono ana eye kese.
Okay.
Iti eye kese no na ba ne say na squeeze Johnson Robin na ma tokro no a Johnson ne famu.
Okay.
Na eye ketwa na eye ketwa. Tuwa be ya we ho a
na si.
O say kofo be brede Robert to mbe.
Yeah. Nti sankofo na ye de Robert to mbe mamu ne ye omo a omo de no prostate na nia na ye kese na esi druben no. Nti ma Johnson ntumi ma.
Yes ye de catheter. Robert.
Yeah.
Ye de show be mem ye de kwa koto Johnson twani.
I see.
Yes, a Johnson no you connecting no direct. So be ya Johnson be to be free.
Okay, na say natural one no a nyame de ma on de en kwansen de enye dwuma bi.
Prostate no the control. Sa Johnson drobe no. Any ya Johnson twani. O sa Johnson twani ye ma na prostate no sa na nyame ase design.
Yeah.
Johnson twani ye ma na prostate na pie.
Okay.
You know, Johnson drobe no.
Okay.
Na abefem na epie. Ewi a na nu asense.
Okay.
Enti se who start say ka. Ubo mu say si enti Johnson na eba no ni nyina ntimi mba.
Okay.
Na start na ebia kika mu na de na mo no na start the infections, bacterial infection.
Okay.
No ma start no mo bem na no the start e ma unsusa so.
Doc, yenhwe ye kika koi obi be bisa se na prostate doctor e ka ho asemi. Ebe ye dan na me ye bema ma hunu se ade we a eye me eno e kire me se manya yare prostate ni bi. Symptoms no e tese se na be ya obi wo fie no hwen a obi hunu se we na doctor kai me so me experience se sa nyama ni bi e wo me nipadua no. Symptoms ne tese.
So we a bema na say o starting you feel the signs and symptoms
Yeah.
of prostate condition.
Okay.
So signs and symptoms no. Started you bema we started that Johnson tenter. Johnson ya ba ya na Johnson. Uko Johnson ba ya na Johnson no say o cycle. The dream every one count one now Johnson o ya Johnson.
E Johnson go.
Unye hu sai pe e bon ka ye science no ba. Afi be me bi wo no Johnson na de be me no mo hihye.
Doc, eno no sa first sign a wo ka ho asem sisia no. Eno no aya na eye ages ben na uta experiences a Johnson a wo Johnson tentem mo Johnson ya kakra bi na Johnson de wo no na eno kire wa mo hu se unya yare prostate na from what range of age?
Okay. Sabe kai no. Normally enka mema starting ya sa problem and the normal circumstances above age 40.
Okay.
Because by age 40 no prostate no ayekese. By the way, let me explain it. Prostate not the buying and son of my science.
Okay.
Prostate no bema bia ye wo ye fofra ye kitikiti say anya hwe. Ye nya mfie dumiensa na a double in size.
Okay.
But eno kra so sa anya ye hwe. E da ho sa na you were a friend two major phase of growth. First one in fear do me answer. That's how you did. But then maybe I only fear do 25 years.
Okay.
When you're 25 years, wo me maybe a prostate be kesia ko so
okay.
In nature no. Na problem is say you fear do na ne kona the start my problems kesia. Omo enya say only prostatitis there say be kind.
Yeah.
So we prostatitis there, and they say we can't question me, but question our kind.
Good.
The time and there's all Jews.
Yeah.
And you found when you fear doom watch and fear Diono, and fear Dionum, Ubenya science to Sassuano, Uber Johnson.
I see.
So what I say. And on the happy now you're below 40 years. You'll say a shame, you'll say a shame, so we are diabetic.
Okay.
You're ruling out because diabetes are young age, are waiting at you. It is only diabetes. Now, if you are check your prostate scan at that age, you know, you better check, but still, prostate second growth phase, the grand young growth. When you're 25 and the sun starts to get a confused with previous. It imagines will be all 23, no just or 10, no some other symptoms of the prostate condition.
Okay.
There's all prostatitis. But your best yet test is about your screening in your part, detect and protect.
Okay.
Detect and only so by screening. We are screening the prostate inside your test. Say infections in your belly. Yet me at me above.
Okay. Doc, now you were symptoms no number 1 and number 2 no so good.
Symptoms no, na me kind of Johnson 10.
Yeah.
Special that you be to Johnson friend 9.
And some adiachi.
Okay. Who science so as we be our prostate and start your case. And now with the prostatitis. Now with the prostate cancer.
Okay.
Because you know symptoms no are similar, but cancer na dey we chiri kra.
Okay.
The prostatitis near live prostate dey be the face.
Okay.
So just say.
Okay.
Now face symptoms dey to so bema bi ojo so na the baby mo hihye.
Say we am bema na ojo so na hu say obema na mu hihyewa.
Mo hihyewa. E che say prostate ni ho aka.
Okay.
Ade a obedi bemu na dey be detect and protect. This all over now be screening and you get me here. One screening
I see.
Eno nti ojo so na bema mo hihye. Bema bi so no oba hia na ne hu sane a. Na fe ni bema ni mu ye ne ya na say mo hihye no. E bi oso kra wo hwe nsuo na aba no a na say moja wo.
Doc, a banner sign, I say a do ni stage very serious. Because for you to release ube who say ube mamu sisi odiye. Brown ni oba isha but I say ade no ya ko anim.
E drew ho no a e gina wo age so.
Okay.
So but me no say wonya hu sense so yi bia me taking it serious. Because one taking it serious so me catch on prostate na the man obey kesia copy so be previous.
Okay.
It is was starting born kai and one taking it serious. One year asem kesia pa the back of fabric.
Okay.
So the mecha because early detection no. So who in tema and now betimi aso what me abon and I what me treaty now etimi amaw akoto. So just say.
Okay.
Now where who in tema there one way obe hunu na akoye too late. You know me kind na you feel be acute urinary retention.
Okay.
Jones or Drobe no be see.
Yeah.
Rested in back kesia nya see asem kesia pa na. Because you the rubber ne too much. Rubber the credit too no. And no interest ye treat prostate no. Underlying cause on the prostate na ekes na me catch.
Okay.
I excessively large now. I see Jones or Drobe.
Okay.
And only problem no. Now rubber na dem ne there say be ya Jones on be free wo mu a enka wo mu no. And no tin ye the rubber ne too.
Okay.
Enti under normal circumstances at the criteria nipa ne be pray there e wo ho na be cancer. Obeko urologist wa me ya me ma no ya brofudura pharmaceuticals. Adia ba ko so secret o ne say prostate no abrofuduro bia no wetimi shrink prostate issue ni.
What you say doc say obi wo yare prostate eni kwan say wo ye na adwen say wo di abrofuduro e na be treat.
Especially so enlarged prostate. Who the abrofuduro kan. Ebe wo ha ebe de kese mo ebe koso ya kese because abrofuduro ni timi shrink. So onye do sa stage na dia betimi aboa no so obe shrink prostate. And no more human prostate doctor foundation. There is a natural way to good health. Because you know now you're using natural remedies. No side effects. It's back to insulin.
Yeah.
So when you bear man, now you Johnson, that emotion show. When you bear she na sania na emu ye oya. They will say you saw the cream why a pain. I feel bear maybe or Johnson. As a biakem.
Okay.
Ning na intimi mba. What you say Johnson ni biwo.
Okay.
The ties of Chima and the Biabe to take me by a nature. You man as Sabaka nature.
One cassa out to crowd me feel say, I say, Obama Jones on one, so
very good.
But who Jones on so I Jones on a map.
Very good. And we are friend of retention.
Okay.
Also, just start penning in our country. And also, a bonka, yes, say, prostate no one can't the copy of myself. A faith. Sadia, my way in I would tell you. No one shall we ye. adeɛ na meka kyerɛ na acute urinary retention that go wa the just there was something and no kyerɛ sɛ that go wa Johnson de pa over so Johnson but Johnson it yes asama by say rush you call emergency here the catheter rubber petrol baby so the be so the best and no tin na sɛ oyɛ bɛma na hu sense so ya afei o Johnson na mo apai mi no e wo yɛ bɛma bo hu sɛ wa ya ase eta yɛ wo ya so just afei wo sisi achi lower back sisi achi no uti pay wo ho pelvis pay wo ho
doc sa nsusuanso nyina obi atena se amanam ne de na akodu mpempenso bi a ono ankasa hunu sɛ mpempenso akodu de asɛ ɛyɛ aduru akiri e ba sa ani da so wo ho prostate no yetimi kill.
A good question. Mpempenso na wo ka no eno no enye obi a uza say obi ho ma obi realize no na aye too late obi ho ma onim kra sa nsusuaso e aba no so dada mema bebrebe o mo hu nsusuaso e so obi ho ma wa try so of so treat o call hospital near me man nro a onuma kwa na asaba so just say o treatment no get effective problem ni nyina no
okay
you need effective treatment for enlarged prostate. It is a when treating here so now with time or no e because why kesia se me di kan no afei be hu asa afei na ko si ojo so drobe no afei ye the rubber no so tuma e no so sa be me ma wo nuro bi a wo de ma antibiotics ne alpha blockers
okay
o ko clinic no ye be ma wo be no sa e no so ntime shrink prostate na prostate da ho ye kesia be hu na akwa cancer
right ahwefo a mo hwe dwumadie we eye Wonkwa Hia dwumadie a ye de bro e wo Kumawu TV so ada ya wada bia enwumre no nson ekopem no wotwe na wani eguso a wo hwe no enne ye di nkomo e de afa yare prostate how a prostate no ye betimi ya detect na ye protect se na be ya prostate no entimi ema me hayen na enkonkodu mpempenso a se na doctor eka no ebekwa koduru e bia na wo hwe ye wo ye oba wo ya brante afi na wasi so ye wo se ma na de wunya bia obefa eno de obeye ne mu mebeduru ba bi no na ontumi nye sa de ne bi msusuanso ne ba wan hwa na akofo wa haw kese e de abrew eno nti na meka se koso ana tena wa fidie no ho na hwe dwumadie na entumi mwa na dwumakuo bi na aso ya sene ema ye de dwumadie yi etumi e de ebrew na ye kase edupa wo ho a na edupapa e wo ho unhia eduru a ebeko atia wo yare e de amawo na atu yare ase a men kase eduro eni wiase eno nti na Deni Herbal Center omo aba ne omo kan nyina ya ba kopɛ ade a ya wo wiase pa na sɛ yare ebe kyew na agyew ado wato ho eba saa ɛsɛ nneɛma pii ɛsɛ usikasɛm ɛsɛ abusuam nneɛma bebree na akyire kura no asa akɔfa owuo de abrɛw ɛno nti Deni Herbal Mixture ɛwɔ hɔ de ma de papa sane bia sɛ unya bi na wonom a sɛ ohunam enye wiye onipadua nyina nsuanso bia enye akyire hyɛ so na kɔpɛ Deni tun Herbal Mixture na bɛboawo afei Deni Natural Herbal Capsules ɛno no ɛyɛ main vitality tie ne pa bɛma bia wɔyɛ mmere wɔn pam a ontumi ne ɔba nhia tie tutumnika kɔpɛ adoi bi na bɛboa pa saa capsules yi wonom a esiesie o we no ɛnya aphrodisia wonom a esiesie nipadua no ɛrepair nipadua no ɛto hɔ sɛ ne bɛyɛ a da ne da okosina anim a obetumi abɔ adwumaden ɔba no wafe wakyɛ ɛnso okosina anim a sia na ho esa no enema nkoyie nti ema anigye edi fie ko na kopɛ ɛyɛ Deni Natural Herbal Capsules no bi na bɛboawo na ade a ɛyɛ no sɛ ɔman konkon Ghana ye nwuma a yɛyɛ no ɛyɛ adwumaden pa na yɛyɛ ɛno nti ɛbɛtɔ da no bɛkɔ akɔyɛ adwumaden ɛwɔ fie ana adwuma mu woba bɛduru fie no na woni pedua nyinaa tutu woni pedua nyinaa yɛ wo ya na untumi nna ɛno no ba saa wo de yɛ Deni Herbal Ointment wonya ointment ni bi na wo de srasra ɛdwo fom woda na ho ade kye a wonya hoden foforo na wo de akɔ nwuma so mesro eno no ɛwɔ dwa so pharmaceutical shop no herbal shop bia no wo de wani ɛkyerɛ ho a onsa ɛbɛtumi aka bi kɔ na kɔpɛ bi na bɛboa na duro mu no wo de wani kyerɛ nduro a Deni Herbal Pharmacy anase Deni Herbal Center okɔ wadodo bia ohia no onsa bɛtumi aka nkyerɛmu bia ohia no so frɛ number yi number ne yɛ 0244 364 651 yesi number no so biem ɛde ama wo 0244 364 and afei 651 Deni Herbal Center for ena asoya cinema yedi dwumadie ebrew enkomotwetwe no egina prostate how to detect and protect prostate se eba kwan a obefa so na watwe ho afiri ho na etumi aboawo Dr. Tony Badu ena yene no edidi nkomo no wono president Prostate Doctor Foundation one me ehu enyema pii kwan a ebefo so a ebeboan doc ya saba biem na ya hwei ye ka prostate na ebu so a ye ka no se enya ba bedru so wi a ensunsuan so a ewo hono menim se eso yie pa na se ekukudu sam pempen so ano a aya na ni da so ho ana
oh and that's all there in brain oh okay number 1 so okay ensunsuan so na e ba menim se be ma bia wo hwe bia beti Bema yakmodi nyina any prostate. Nti na wo se emema bebre omunyanya 40 ne kona. Anaso so omu prostate ne ho ka. Bo so omu amanya sexual weakness. Omu bema mu aye. Emema bebre ne nam the whole world. Omu bema mu aye bre. Obi was me nya nyini too much. That nti na me ntimi enkokwa so. Ni nyina aye prostate ne ho.
Okay.
You can so so. But the make can say a question now Ubusai. So who enlarged prostate and answer prostatitis. Now who says you shall swear now upon you screening. Yeah, test you better scan. Uba me was and yeah, scan.
Okay.
Yes, I a PS. Yes, I a VDR test. You be rule BBR or yes, I a blood sugar test. Yeah, rule BBR out. It's you who said I don't know me who said your prostate this year.
Okay. It
is a young said this year for now. Yet to make shrink a prostate with natural remedies, your combination therapy, very effective. On my question, surgery, to me, wow, jai, and my to me shrink a prostate.
Doctor, na surgery no e bam say bia obi anya sa prostate bi na ye de drobani bi ato ne bem mu a sa nipa no ye yes sa surgery no ewia otimi flow Johnson no uru no ntimi e ba as the normal way no ana
Johnson no de e be ba but urefi asema be catch us say yes be ma ye be manyina ni prostate so we surgery na so we prostate no a ho de ni nyina asa e ko
I see
and until ehia say e be bok mpan because imagine say we be 40 now prostate start how are you so let me tell you now that's a obe mu kra san fa yemre so let me tell you now fe wuti ho saa wonya ho hwe na wonya ho hwe everybody say that ko go wa fa so you so wuti so the rubber ne beto the rubber ne beto
doc the rubber no to market chia na
the rubber ne to mu a say it depends on say your prostate is
akesia fa
enti America no say me wo patients are rubber dey ma me hwe wo
okay
say wuti ne ntemo a enu tira ehia say obe detect ntem early detection it be mu aye
okay
it is a hu ne ntemo a obu a the rubber to the be we a busumeni busumemi ensa enche it ye hu say na sia kesia fa no a enu yetimi shrink no a ya botre first ye be the rubber to aduro so for 6 months
okay
na enye aduro nko a ye combination therapy no ye natural supplements are very prostate specific.
Okay.
And yes, I will a piano as a woody, a better piano as a woody, prostate specific food.
Okay.
And a better piano so every class would
woody cry.
When you're 40, we are Bema, and so we are now if you will be.
I see.
Why you're free, a Bema prostate like a sing tension. Already prostate naturally a yakasi.
So between what age? And so be our prostate Libya. Prostate in the way the come out here says you're free and call them, but send your besia ye na kukudu pempen so no ano na ebekwa for how dia ba enti what age na ese se obi ejai enam no ewe kura
so we are bear man na onja mfie aduanan 40 years e kono e was say we other say ube reduce we intake of red meat
okay
and now say ube timi a you free we aduane mu kura
okay
if we say at the crime prostate near Kessintentem, one who family history and yet naturally would by 40 no not starting here Kessi.
Yes, a Busiano say a do more naturally no one cassa wouldn't say Mabusia dear, a prostate very good and definitely we need now a Berman Quadia, no one who say was who bet me. I was so started born by 40 that's better than born by. I was so yes screening. Your problem no Africa ye screening no ye say at 2 years say ye ko check up no ko ye ko ye say ye dey mo asi am ye dem the hospital am ye the rubber too every hospital na ayedin esa ne ku na edin doc mama nko quick commercial break na membra menji maboafo nkratoi na me ba me questioner me ba bebisa na we yi anu ama me ne say e betimi aba say obi wo prostate ni bi wo ye bema signs and symptoms aye kan ho asemi e bia na on experience bi but na wonya yare prostate ni bia na me quick commercial break me ba doctor e be yi sansem bi sana no e dia man
TV aba amansane yena yedie
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We a Kumawu TV. We the Yaya demo movie beer, mo pesa mo share. A yechi movie piano. A yanaye movie a yen Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawu TV. So keep watching Kumawu TV.
TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedie Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedie
Nkonyenya Harriet Kodon manyamfiala ganya actress ha lenye vovoyi da shada manno na nyi hafona Kumewu TV a ele agbaji nyoto mi be multi TV akenenye be wo ya mekwele ji ara jagba na yo agba nyala wa vava dereji no.
Right, welcome back ediba aye Wonkwa Hia dwumadie so ene ye hyiamu e wa ha ye ne Dr. Tony eye Badu na ye ne no etwetwe nkomo e wa ha na mamemfa me WhatsApp line no entudwa enche so ye bebie phone lines no na won sem bi se bi e fa eye nkomo twetwe aye twetwe fa prostate ho a won so watumi abisa wo questions no afei doctor wo ha yi watumi ayiwa no anu nti ye WhatsApp line no a obetumi e de o message afaso aba no eye 0543 596070 0543 596070 and that screen so enti message bia wo a obetumi abisa e dia fa saa ensema na nkomotwetwe ho no na odi aba doc obi message a odi aba no a friend Dr. Comfort was say can sex reduce prostate rate
too much. When it comes to rate we're talking about the value. If you want to reduce a prostate you reducing the value, the size of the prostate, and sex is very, very beneficial to the reduction of prostate.
Okay.
It lubricates the prostate.
Okay.
It sex prostate.
Sex prostate.
Frequent sex. We are Burma now especially when you're 40 also to have frequent sex. Activeness is very good. A prostate is active. A buono emano
Okay. Doc, na ye share answer na maybe ko break no. Me bisa o question bi say e betimi aba say obi enya prostate ni bi but signs and symptoms are ye nim say obi ehu a na e ma na hu say wonya prostate no obi betimi enya bi sa onhu sa signs and symptoms na.
Oh yes. I mean sure there a very small percentage but a happy the okay. Be asymptomatic. No medical term. It just say problem no but symptoms be
okay.
Prostate you will be sir me wa down phobia when you prostate cancer or America say right but our normal prostate
okay
when your size ni be that ya say nya ya onyunso be ma mo hihye no na okoye screening because of the age
okay
okoye screening wo hu ye enu tina make sure screening ni ya pa imagine say okoye screening wo te wa say wonya cancer prostate cancer long time but no genetic you busuya or inherited.
Okay.
So just here.
Okay.
It be bien wa just oh yeah then the prostate crying here kesi almost 60 something years. The prostate is normal. Lesion bien we need symptoms bia. And so you go check here no. You who say na the PSA I shoot you up.
I see.
To further investigation, further evaluation, MRI scan. Say more new American more targeted MRI scan.
Okay.
I don't know yet me code deep by the whole body be and you say when you cancer. Carcinoma.
Doc, I bet me aba say obi enya be 40 years. Na we hu sa signs and symptoms bi. Say ye wo kan but na wenya yare ni bi. Between what age and say obi start to say or kwakuhwe ni prostate. Say ne akwakodu say wenya bi. Say eye kese ana say e won normal level. What age and as so beat me to musi was say and my men so menko na menko check me prostate in hwe say kosen at what age?
Okay, at age 40 then maybe as when you fear duanan or say so we need symptoms dey be kura say wo ka e say wo ko na wo be screen yes scan na your PSA right afi free ho no afi bia so wo ye kunya 50 na wo da ho e say wo ya say me kai no prostate no e be cause society say wo ja no a ono wo be fum sa na ye member be bread rubber to on be memo so wo do say bia na wo family member na friend bia na woni mo bia ye de rubber to the be memo wo be ka say we ya.
Okay, doc, I'm say me pese omo a omo hwe e wo fie no enso so betumi abetre omo adwe bi ho ana o nsembisa o pese obisa bibi na oyi wano ana se oyi ano ema no nti se wo fie na ye ka prostate ho asemi se o pese wonso so obebisa nsembisa bi a eno na ye de WhatsApp line no e de ato ho no obetumi e de message na ba soon and very soon no ye be bie phone lines no so atum na wafre ofra wabisa bibia efa prostate ho ebia na wanya saa yare bi symptoms bi hu bibisa na ubisa doctor say ebia me ho ye me sei no chese manya bia na afi yensua de kakra e wo ho na yenhunu enti screen no so no wo say numbers no egu ho ne eye message no fabra betimi na normal SMS message na say WhatsApp message wo de ba na beba bia no ye be kenkan ne nyina e de ama ho enti doc enya kodum pempenso ati sei ya na obi anya bi nya wonya aye no na adwen nyina ye ne sesesi ya no treatment bi ani ho bi mma no apart from say bi a be kwakwa ne surgery na say surgery ni ho na ye de rubber no drobe no ato ne ba mamu a say obehia wo doctor akonya bi wo ho say obetimi nya na ho to na afa de drobe ne be free ho na drobe na afa na akatua no a ontumi nyu so mfamu no afa de betimi aye ya na because as initially na Mama Matia says liquor say ubetimi aka say utu ase kura but ubetimi manage
no see say udi your friend be preventive measures
okay
right say udi sane ma we chi a ubetimi no prostate na computer be free as wa bra won worry say you do rubber betu be memu da na prostate cancer
okay
so just
okay
but say you do rubber the two be memu so be kind the beginning no it depending on say your prostate dey akesiafa Sanya kesi way out there. You bet me a shrinking na ba. Now one thing I'm a phone in a tears here say. So why say prostate na shrink here? Rubber no ain't me. And not any part of the prostate rubber they are 2 million 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 2 weeks and 3 weeks because some costs rubber. And we additional cost. And some of us are to enroll for antibiotics and alpha blockers I dey me ma no but it also say no so ntimi shrink prostate and no say one here we be di one gra we one apay cancer it is unya hu say so ya na dey rubber too mu fine we here say we call ya dey rubber no too
okay
so na be ya Johnson dey timi
yeah
but unya wie no a e say we pay therapy treatment natural remedies e bit me shrink prostate na fe so na me kan ya say dey we go me ho me do beto adro so me change your diet
okay
you be kire onuane ye se wudi
ani nnuane
a enye se obi we treatment that's what I wudi and amuna counterproductive
okay doc what ba nnuane dro so say obetimi adi aduane we na etimi abo yenhwe nnuane ahodo a nipa da sene so ye bemma na unya company mfie so say 40 years no a nnuane ahodo a udi a ebe bowo a emma o prostate no enkonkofa problem emre wachire ennuane ahodo ben na fa ye me phone lines no to
ennuane a eboa prostate ba you find prostate friendly food
okay
vegetables the vegetables are specific this way yeah but vegetables be
okay
you need to say carrots
okay
you're very good for prostate
okay
spinach you kotomre you're very good for prostate
okay
tomatoes
okay
from that age you know some tomatoes go more
I see
ningina prostate
tomatoes na enye abrofo de na omo de agu nchansen mu no de mo bia nkasa ye de na ebia wo ha no hwasem na wo kan
abrofo de na agu nchansen ne kura de bi ye
okay
e bi ye pa
okay
sanya GMO ko ade ya
okay eye
wa sanya genetic modifier eye
no na obi betime depend na what their protective process
na me ba kasa me kan wie e bo prostate papa
okay
some nyani we say so da bia wo te be call we de no free sa age ne ko na ana me ka no na wo size screening afibia wo screening na fe usai enya sa supplements ya make combination supplements ayurveda ancient Indian traditional medicine ni nyina ye herbal no side effect very effective and the shrinking prostate.
I see.
It is but we yes ani ma we nyina we didie undi sa ani ma we e wo phyto nutrients bi o mo a ni nyina about we die mu a shrinking prostate. It is no ni we ni nyina aboma within a short time was am wodi aba o mo ba mo do some premier watch and pray do nyina within 6 months it may shrink your prostate back all the way to normal, especially prostate of 80 gram 90 gram within 6-7 months you best shrinking up a normal amount and only the best way to maintain prostate health.
Doc, send your work in to say and then so be share a war casafoni so na se obi ote say e bi television bi so ana se radio station bi na ye ka say prostate na we ga no bra na me tu ase ma wa na ni se di pako no wo dada wa na
and American so be two prostate asiama there me ade ba ko peda me so be ye free ho when you free all the say only prostate
you free only prostate
only prostate be a large prostate or prostate thing na akọ but ade ba ko ne su so e be ba a chire no obema no amodin ni nyina akọ
enti ye prostate ni free wa obema na hodin ni obiem enti e bia na wa nkasa obema no mpeso de be ye bibia na mum ahodin na ewo mu no wo ye free mu dia
e wo betimi atena but ye ma kitikiti bi so be ha adwene side effect mama mfa me phone lines no okay mama mfa me phone lines no ye ne Dr. Tony Bedu we ye president edema ye Prostate Doctor Foundation Dr. Pania oda no na ene ye ne no edi nkomo efa yare prostate ho na menim se watensem ne pi bia na nka wo nsem bi se bia nka wo be pese DJ Lofting ka me bi sama wo nanso mantumi awisa ene me ma wakwanya no na wonso watimi afre na wode wonsem bisa ne nyina aba wo hwe screen so a ye de yen phone lines no ato momodian na frɛ na fe bra adwumadi no so na ye nin komo o questions no fa bra doctor ha obeyi wano mako na fe yetumi akɔ nti ye de telephone numbers no e de agu hɔ na doctor egu so a wo bobo ennuane ahodo a ye di a ebeboa wo se bema na ema o prostate no enkonkofo how emfa mrew na fe frequent checkups and also ye betumi aye na atimi aboa ama ya twen ho afiri yare prostate no san say ba ya na ano odin nti ye de numbers no ato screen so bomodian na frɛ na fe ye nin komo ma me hwɛ sɛ afrɛfo no bi ɛwɔ ahoma no so na fe ye nin komo. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pa cho din ba bia ofrefre.
Me pa cho
okay.
Pacho, we go for hospital. But almost after my fast.
Okay.
And I pacho, person who is here, doctor no. And I'm taking inspection. Let's say, it's pacho. Me ask fibroid.
Me pacho, obetimi aba biem. As a doctor, enya ne wo kan ne ye. So obetimi answer bisa second question ni biem a.
See, you cook or hospital. But to cook and almost after na assassin. And I'm pacho, obetimi answer baby a doctor.
Okay, maybe a doctor wo. Okay,
all right. And I answer. Say, prostate is mission here. If I chose, let me ask you a fibroid question.
Okay, make me ask you a fibroid. Okay, and also Doctor Ebeyano, Mama, have a next caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Me pacho, didn't baby out free.
I must go fashion. It's a question to Kenya.
Okay, I must go fashion. I must come and meet you.
Mr. Sen, you say, when you get to so I did about you
okay, and also your question. Say you prostate no, I surgery no. Ubetimi awo na wuntumi ngo. Na obi a obe manage ma de better na wa. Okay, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, vigilance.
Me pacho din baby a free.
Me pacho friend
Amrado.
You can say free expert of it.
Okay, Amrado. What's hard one will have you? Okay, Amrado, mami tell question.
Me pacho me ko maybe 38 me ko 39.
Okay.
Me ko lab. I am prostate.
Okay.
me only say 3.0.
Okay.
And where I'm testis. I name ya, and my abdomen, so I name ya pa.
Okay.
The doctor say, and in a bit me symptoms of prostate.
Okay. All right. Dr. Atenti, obey answer me now. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
If I show didn't baby of free. Hello. Mr. I will say, oh, friend, now Bajumadi and so. Mentie ho emfree television so na mom dum aye o television volume ma nko fom kra na tie me ma me na omienu eni nkomo na entumi mwaye. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Hello, good evening. All right. So na me di kan no mesro ofra lower o TV set na volume no emayen na eni nkomo. Good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba so din baby of free.
That's how we train. What's on the asset? We say Libya.
Libya, okay. Libya for where there? My Mintio, same as
Mate.
Okay, me.
Then we said after South Austin, I did a bit hard labor. The father is asking us South Austin.
Okay, I'm saying you can't do one common. I'm saying now. Okay, Doctor, I say yeah no. Hello, good evening. All right, enti Mr. Ofra na wallowa o TV set ne volume no amaye na ya twetwe nkomo. Ye ntimi mfa friend for no bebre enti se ne be ya doctor e betimi yi nsenam no. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Me pancho odin baby of free.
Pancho, free takrade.
Takrade. E fro saying.
Hello.
Your friend saying takrade.
Nana pike.
Okay, me pancho yenti o.
Person be said doctor say. I was at time. What that? Madonna jam, Madonna Johnson. Go looking at you to best system. I don't know the achi.
Okay.
The person cannot see super. See the number.
It will be so.
Now go look at number. That's
okay. All right. Okay. Now say we be doctor. Say if now no be in the mouth just one na say who your prostate. Okay. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Me pancho lowa TV volume no ma me why. Okay. Okay. Mr. Ufra na wallowa TV.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Me pancho odin baby of free.
So your friend Ernestina, the Jeffrey Kenya say.
Ernestina mama
nti. Because question me can say. And for na ya le ne ba ebe no hu se wanyadi.
Oh, and why late? Okay, Dr. Beya no tiawa e dia mai be da sepa. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me pacho din baby of free. Okay, so yan for me chenwan nwere. Mami ntio.
The person doctor say ya ma do fi ti ya we ya na o person ni ya ya positive. Ana person ni mo.
Signs and symptoms ni bi na na all come asem nti no. Obesa ya no. Okay, mami hwe me next caller na frame. Yen hwe ne fa frefo dwumade no ensi na doctor ntimi nyin sem bi sana no emai. Doc, afrefo ni bi afre. Minim say questions o mo bi sana e bebre. Nti ye be tackle wo na mai na fe enko.
First question no. Also person who be able.
Yeah.
Okay, me wo Kumasi Patasi Estate. Paparazzi Hotel na chipe.
Kumasi Patasi Estate.
Patasi Estate. Paparazzi Hotel na chipe.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Me pancho odin baby of free.
Yeah. Okay, you want
Okay. Your best friend say ofra na well dum aye volume no amai. Hello, good evening. Good evening. All right. Doc, na uyi questions ni bia no.
I answer baby am we so
okay.
baby am.
Yeah.
na be kai me se me wo Kumasi Patasi Estate.
Okay.
Paparazzi Hotel Nechi.
Okay.
The Presby Church and the Shady.
Okay.
And the number here 0240.
Okay.
775.
Okay.
751.
Okay.
0240 775 751.
Okay, my main far of free. Hello, good evening. Me pa so din baby of free. Hello. Me pa so o wan fidie no so din baby of free. Okay. Doc. Aha, nti to asoma e. Telephone number se me pa so mo amohwe no mo nsa ne so. Doctor ebe sorry a mo se ne number no e da screen so. Nti mo nsa ne so samai na watumi afa na wafre no mo a mo pese mo hu baby a wo no. Ye ne telephone number no be to screen so. Nti na wafre na won so obisa na kira kwan. Okay doc, nti the second question.
Lady no the second question no ukunu no manembra betimi aboa shrink no but why you need there? Wo e dey no so pese shrink.
No say opeso hu say obi wo fibroid and so betimi shrink here.
Fibroid there mean to me shrink in ma.
Okay.
Maybe prostate kwan which one?
That's right. Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. That's right. Okay. Say you the friend for money in the BC as say you be no kra in the home. Enti wo a wo friends abre bia no best no say nyame eya adom a ebrepam ye san hia bi mu a na watimi afre na questions bi a person bisa no bisa doc. Enti na wo yi questions no bia.
Aka no ana obi su busa say say you prostate obetimi awo.
Obetimi awo.
Pa cho wuntimi ngo you prostate no ano no award you forget it. Or prostate no me friend of fertility gland. I mean chow the cruelty I make us.
Okay.
Bema sa wonu obeshia na sa ohu besane a ensuo no sperm na your friend sperm.
Yeah.
If you odu abane mu na starting.
Okay.
E be ba be fa e be your friend ejaculatory duct and prostate ni mu.
Okay.
Tokro bi o e be dru ho prostate no a secretive fluid bi. And no e for the prostatic fluid.
Okay.
And no an nutrient sperm kitikiti no e free odu abane mu ba ye. Na a protect no na nutrient no na lead na ba be show ba ni mu.
Okay.
Etel eluti na be ma se woni prostate. Bibia ne ho sperm ne ba betimi a protect no. Na etimi asan nutrient no na asan shoot na ba. E so be shoot to blanks. Dia wo ba ni na ye blank amodi bia ni. And one plan what you shoot to the cross by the amount.
Okay.
Because ejaculation by the amount without the prostate.
Okay.
All right. So we need say a cancer if it's a best spread there and here so be surgery.
Okay.
Because it to me a shrinking no. Only say profudrol and intimate shrinking. Pharmaceutical drugs it may shrink prostate.
Okay.
It would you share your number and the better so you free what. Your Patasi Kumasi Patasi Estate, Paparazzi Hotel.
Okay.
Also per Prostate Doctor Foundation. When you have number now, Mumbra, you bet me a shrinking prostate number. Now what me over a surgery because surgery there when you have and one on a minia.
Okay. Surgery there unya kwaya and one on doctor ene wamenya adesua de bebre na aboa ama yehunu ennuane ahodo a edu yen early age to say 40 years a ennuane ahodo a esese ejato na yenni se na be ya ede o how kese be brain prostate no na wa kire ennuane nsoso a yedi a ebe boa yen ama yapomudi na timi asipi ede ama yen se na be ya yare prostate no at the age of 40 no na unya bi na se akoye enigesem ede ama wo be ma woni prostate ni bia ya na ha bi ni mom ekuduru mpempen so a wan hwa na fe yese yakwakoye surgery na akwakoye how bebre enti mesro se protect ho didiye ennuane ahodo a doctor bobo so no bi se mushroom avocado pear ene tomatoes fish ne ne keka ho na avoid the fresh meat me pacho ye kan sa wote ase e bi se na doc okay
so me ka fresh meat DJ they can't nantwinam aponche odwan
okay
preko
okay
san ena nguremu nam kometiste di pare bebre timi ba me ho se dog na sa nguremu nam de ho ho ye srew ya ho ye ho yo ni nyina ye red meat hormones na wo mu no na feed prostate man ye kesentem ti wu didi no na wa na wu komo
okay
wa wo de yare e ma ho eti wanya mfie aduana ya bomode ya we be ma ti na mro no so obetimi kra yifri waduane mu wo yifri mu a na wo didi sa nnuane papa ya na afa wo check wo prostate afibia ya kese a wo na wo behu na afa wasɔ ano na afa watimi abɔ ho ba na wo prostate atena bɔkɔ me were over 50 years we were family history, you have prostate cancer.
Okay.
And say because you have normal prostate. I'm maintaining normal prostate for the
Doc, not just say na wo ka say a wabusua mu a e likely say obenya bi.
Oh, we dey bantam cry.
The bantam. But say wo obi a obetimi protect wo ye na wadidi here. Na say wabusua mu de na wo ankasa de wo nya bi.
Very good. E wabusua mu cry na wo detect na protect who ye say make yi. Wo decide preventive measures is what. As me papa nya prostate cancer. And so me almost me almost 60. And so up till now we were normal prostate. At the time normal prostate. Me screening every year.
Okay.
Me pop supplements are. Me who say cost so kakra be match up.
Okay.
So na me tell no.
Okay.
And I beside the DE. And I me exercise kakra so ye. We are active kakra. After say we are active say you kind sexually.
Okay.
And you're very good. A wow am I maintaining healthy prostate. We bet me at na and chain am I for rubber me to be me. And chain am I unya prostate cancer as an wabe.
Okay.
Ubeti me a preventive measures from 40. When you feel your 9 kwa there, would you never status quo?
Just as we say prevention is better than cure.
Exactly.
And to protect one as well preventing one. And no ye chance say ya rene beba na fe na oba be cure one sha na wasa ko boka kese enso e wachi. Doc, obi say message awodi aba or say voice no ese obi awoni mu no, but because of the nose mask nti nke be ya nka you nose mask no dwumadie ne ba wie na nka onhunu say doctor na oso oyemu onimu no e ono ana ono so ne message no
also on frame na they say COVID-19 I see a protective
it's a protective
so who we say be test
it also
say to be protective and you dey can detect and protect preventive measures because of COVID-19
okay that's right enti say wo hwe dwumadie no a we eye Wonkwa Hia da bia me ka say ma Wonkwa Hia wo ye pa san say ade a eya yare say yare no enya chi to ho a ese nyema pi emma umma eye mobo emma obusua eye mobo emma wo hwere wo japade pi san say yare no eba na uni sika wo de be ko a age so ko ton wo japade na wo de aba be sa ho yare eba sa na ho ton ba wi a gen e na obeye waton fie waton nwuma bibia usika so nyina ye basa ede be mbiem na obeye wabrabom wanhwa be kwa kwese ho ahoma eno nti e na ye de dwumadie ye de abrew e wo kuma TV so se hwe na hu se Wonkwa ehu hia nti mentena se ma yare enchew hwe dwumadie na ebeboa wo papa ama nema atimi akoye ma me fa aseda ne bi emma ye sponsors no in fact o maboa papa yare eya enam se yare eya nti no bomoden na protect ho prevent ho fi yare ho na amma wantimi ankwan ko dum pempenso a ede owu ebebrew eno nti Dani Herbal Center omo ene de Danima Herbal Mixture ede abadwa so malaria fever dro wonu mato ontumi ne di woni so ta brebrew honam nyina ye obasa awota de na wapibi na wanom eno eye treatment for malaria nya bia ebeboa papa afei Danima Herbal Mixture wonu muto na wo yare sa osutumi te na woni padwane nyina ye hojo ontumi ne di wonya Danima Herbal Mixture na wonom a eboa siesie ni padwane kama abra ohawbia enye chire kopebi na entumi emwa wo ne toso enso so eye Dani Natural Herbal Capsules eno no ye main vitality bema men trance enkonko ye shopping emmo ba na afi obe wi chire no ode mekwa kodu dan mu no ma no so ana sense ni trance e ba sa oba no obeserew ona yonkofo betwetwew tutuminika kopebi na ensiesie enei na ochena eye ni jesam amawo eno no eye Dani Natural Herbal Capsules eno no unya bia ebeboa pa ama bema ebasa wakohoma bono eso bete bema bia wakohoma da bia yetum no na ense wadwuma nso ani wompam unya bia ebeboa pa eye Dani Natural Herbal Capsules afa echirie se ukoye adwumade ma oni pedua nyina tutu honam nyina ye hoya wo de ne ye Dani Herbal Ointment eno no se ye ebeboa pa nyame wonhyira wo na kɔ pharmaceutical shop na eba shop bia na wonso kopɛ edre bi na to na entumi emmoa wo ebre no aso yentimi amfa dwumade na enkɔ animu biem enti aha na ebre be makwan ne dwumade na si na doctor a ene yeto nsa efre no a one yen ebedi nkomo no eye Dr. Tony eye Bedu a woda wosan ye president of eye Prostate Doctor Foundation na ene one yen beka yen sa dwumade bro wo hwɛ screen so a doctor telephone number no na yede to ho no enti bomoden na wonso frɛ no number no na mebo ama no nti unima na wafa number no 0240 775751 0240 775751 obo modia na ofa number si na mfre no a se ne wo ha no tie bia no me wogidie se nyankopon betimi afa no so na waboa wo aha na ebre makwan na yedi dwumadi na nyina si Kristo yi adom a ya woda se ne between 7 pm ekopem 8 pm e be se hia wo ha biem medin ene DJ Lofty uko MCR Loretta ene Augustina DOP eye abrantie Kobe Frank ena production manager eye abrantie Opinozo 1 ena director original Samdakus Queen AJ ena fe Ben omo nyina abeboa support dwumadie Kristo yi adom a na wo hwe se ne ye be se hia biem
TV aba amansane yena yebiem
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We are Kumawu TV. We the yaye demo movie bia mo pese mo share. Aye chi movie piano. Aye na ye movie aye na Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawu TV. So keep watching Kumawu TV.
TV aba amansane yena yebiem Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yebiem Sini papa